This building's old, neglected, and falling apart, but we're gonna renovate it and bring it back to life.
A few moments later.
I'm ready for some
The roof needs significant structural work and patching. I agree, it looks completely unstable.
together. On 3, push. Looks pretty bad. Yeah, the floor is gone in the center. We'll have to start from scratch. It's been neglected for years. Yeah, it's pretty bad.
6.5 hours later.
You ready? You ready? Ready. The damage is worse than I thought. Yes, that beam is completely rotten. We need to get out of here now. Agreed, it's not stable. Keep it moving. Whoa. This stuff is heavy. Just need 2 more. Keep it going. Almost done. Just a little more. Harder. Keep at it. Right behind you. Need a minute. Me too. Damn.
15 minutes later.
Messy work, but it's gotta be done right. Tool noise never stops.
Thousand years later.
The ceiling joists here look a bit off. Yeah, they might need reinforcement. Let's mark these and check the integrity. So I've marked this beam. Okay, I'll grab a new plank.
3 days later.
Keep it steady. Almost there. Nice cut. Line it up. Ready here. Got it. Solid.
Later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Looks solid. Perfect. Ready for walls. Looks good. Perfect.
Six months later.
I think this wall is ready for a second coat. Yeah, I'll get started on the windows. You got that corner? Yep, looking good. I'll get the ceiling seam next.
48 hours later.
Measure twice, cut once. Got it, this will fit perfect. Looks good. See if we can run this row a bit faster. Yeah, lining it up now. Over here with this one. Got it. Need another screw from down there.
Up to 6 weeks later.
Looks good. I think this piece is the right fit. Okay, this corner is solid now.
Almost done with this side. Let me pack these up. Looks good, man. Yeah, it does. Looks good. Yeah, it looks perfect.
This is it, exactly what we envisioned. Turned out perfect. Ready to show it off?
Every place deserves a second chance.